Hey crew, this is the Microbalance that you can use to measure your mealworms. You'll find your mealworms in this container right between the two Microbalances. There's one right there as well. Okay, these are in room 129. The first thing that I want to point out is this. Please do not move the balance. I have this one set up so it's ready to go. The reason I know it's set up is if I look in here, that little bubble is in the middle of that circle, okay? If it's not, you need to use these, kind of twist these legs until it moves. It adjusts very quickly, so don't move things very quickly, move it very, very slowly, okay? In order to start this, first thing you wanna do is hit this power button in the middle, okay? And that is literally the only button you are going to push, okay? We've got some equipment on the side. You can use one of these weigh boats to weigh your organism. There's also a brush, which you can use to brush things off. This scale is fairly dirty. In fact, the scale looks like it needs to be washed. And so you can brush everything off. When you are ready to weigh something, right, the first thing you want to do is take your weigh boat, put it in there, shut the door, right, there's doors that open on the top and on the sides. You want to make sure they are all shut, and then you want to press this button, okay? And so now your weigh boat is ready for you to add organisms, so you could go into our mealworm container. Oops, should have opened this before I was holding this. Okay, we can go in here. We can grab a mealworm. Clearly this one wants to be fed, or not fed, wants to be weighed. And then you can set your mealworms in here and then record your weight in grams, okay? Then you can always put that in your container, whatever you're doing, and then just confirm, right, that it is at 0 before you put any others back in. Okay? All right. Let me know if you have any questions.